The Boss Babe Retreat is summer camp for adults.
It's like a professional sleepover. We have a great time in the evenings getting to know each other, and then the daytime, everybody has the same goals in mind to get some really cool content to deliver to our future bride and groom.
The Boss Babe Retreat for me was fun, memorable, and probably the most fun I'm going to have all year.
Boss Babe Retreat is always absolutely incredible. It is community over competition, and Esther is the absolute best when it comes to how she plans these shoots. They're incredible, and she goes above and beyond every single time.